Good morning, students. Your third chapter is chemical substances and processes. In this chapter, I will tell you about elements, compounds, then the symbol of the elements, chemical formulas of the compounds. After that, chemical changes, then chemical equation, how to balance chemical equation, and then type of chemical reactions. Now, first of all, in class 6th, you read about solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is made up of small particles called atom. Beta, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. But what is the smallest part of these solid, liquid, and gas called? All these are matter. The smallest particle is called atom. Atom combine to form molecule. Now, materials are made up of same kind of atoms or different kind of atoms. If they are made up of same kind of atoms, then they are called the pure substances. Now, pure substances are further classified into elements and compounds. Now, what are elements? A pure substance is made up of only one type of atoms. For example, beta, I am having this ring of copper. This is an element. Its smallest particle is atom. Its smallest particle is atom. Means atoms combine to form element. Now, what is a compound? A compound is also a pure substance but made up of molecules of same kind. But the atoms here combine in a fixed ratio. For example, beta, water. For example, water. Water is a compound. It has fixed formula H2O. बेटा, हम वाटर का फॉर्मूला हमेशा H2O लिखेंगे. पानी आप चाहे कहीं से भी लो, चाहे अमेरिका से लो, चाहे इंडिया से लो, चाहे इंग्लैंड से लो, its formula is same. Means water is made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. If I am having a glass of water, if there is a water in a glass, it means its smallest particle is a molecule. Molecule has formula H2O. Means large number of when H2O molecule when come together, means close to each other, they fill a glass of water. So, water is a pure substance. But it has two types of atoms in a fixed ratio, that is hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. You can't change it. We have different taste of water in different countries. What is the reason behind different taste of water? It is due to the salt dissolved in water. बेटा, पानी के अंदर कुछ साल्ट डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं मिट्टी में से, उसी के कारण पानी का डिफरेंट टेस्ट होता है. अदरवाइज वाटर means pure water has fixed formula and water is called a compound. One more, for example, CO2, carbon dioxide gas, it also has a fixed formula. It is also called compound. Now, in addition to elements and compounds, we have mixtures. A mixture contains two or more substances mixed in any proportion. बेटा, मिक्सचर में आप कोई दो चीज़ें जब आप मिक्स करते हो वो किसी भी प्रोपोर्शन में मिक्स कर सकते हो. जैसे आपके पास डिफरेंट टाइप की दाल होती है, पल्सेस हैं आपके घर में, आप उसमें मिक्स कर दो. मीन्स उनको आपस में मिक्स कर दीजिए. दैट इज़ अ मिक्सचर. मीन्स इन एनी प्रोपोर्शन. इफ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हैविंग अ वाटर इन अ बीकर, I am adding sugar to it. I am adding sugar to it to make lemonade. Lemonade means nimbu pani. But I am adding sugar as per my choice. So it becomes mixture. The difference in compound and mixture is that in case of compound, you can't change the composition, but in case of mixture, you can change the composition, means it is according to your choice. Now, we have activity. Classify the following material into pure substance and mixture. Beta, try to do this. Chemical symbols. Chemical substances are often presented by symbols. Beta, just now I had shown you this ring made up of copper. It has a specific symbol, means copper has a symbol. The shortest method of writing the name of the element is by their symbols. मीन्स अगर आप किसी एलिमेंट को एक शॉर्ट तरीके से लिखना चाहते हो तो आप उसको सिंबल के रूप में लिख सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाइड्रोजन इज अ गैस, इट इज एन एलिमेंट. इट्स सिंबल इज H. In chemistry, if we are writing H, it means we are writing here hydrogen gas. Similarly, sodium has symbol Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, calcium Ca, potassium K, iron Fa, and some other elements are written here on the next page. Go through it and learn their symbols. Now next is chemical formula. Now what is a chemical formula? It is based on the composition of that substance. Just now I told you that water is written in the form of H2O, means it has a chemical formula H2O. It means water molecule is made by combination of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Similarly, CO2, carbon dioxide gas, is made by 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen. So, these two are the chemical formulas of water and carbon dioxide gas. Chemical formula tells us that what are the elements present in the molecule or any compound and their composition. Composition means how many atoms are present in that compound. Like here, hydrogen 2 atoms and oxygen 1 atom. Now, how to write a chemical formula? For example, nitric acid contains 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of oxygen. The chemical formula of the nitric acid is written as HNO3, means there is a way of writing the chemical formula. Similarly, glucose contains 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. So its formula is C6H12O6. Now, many substances are made up of positively and negatively charged particles called ions. Let us write the chemical formula of such substances. Better, you will read about ions, means how are they formed in higher classes. In this class, I will tell you about some ions which are positive, known as cations, and some ions which are negative, known as anions. These are used to write the chemical formula of a chemical substance. There is a rule of making the chemical formula of a substance. For example, we have sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt, common salt that we use at our home. How to write the chemical formula of the sodium chloride? Students, we know sodium has symbol Na. It has positive charge. You can see here on the left page of your book, Na positive. Chloride means chlorine. You can look here, Cl negative. So write Na positive, Cl negative. In order to write the formula, we used to write firstly their ions. Write positive ion first and negative ion after this, and then write their valency. Sodium has plus, only single plus means it has +1 valency. Chlorine has 1 negative, it means it has -1 valency. I am writing here valency +1, valency -1. Then by crisscross, we can write the formula of sodium chloride. Means this chlorine will get this one like this, and this sodium will get this one, and the formula will become NaCl. I will tell you some more example better after this, but we can't write Cl and A. This is the wrong way of writing the formula. The right way is to write the positive ion first and negative ion after that.